Alright, so if anyone is wondering what this pile of computer parts is doing on my coffee table, my dad's computer broke recently. We're gonna build him a new one. Back in 2013, my dad and I built a computer into a desk. Unfortunately, I didn't make a video about it, but I'll see if I can get some pictures to scroll along the bottom here. Unfortunately, recently somebody spilt soda into it and fried the thing. So we're going to figure out what parts we can use and build it into a new computer. Right now we don't even know if any of these parts actually work, so I'm going to throw them into my server, which is the only computer I had handy with the proper compatibility, and we'll see if they're still any good. So now that we know that everything works, let's leave some cables. Thanks for watching, guys. I had a blast building this PC, or rebuilding it I guess, especially doing all that sleeving, and was glad to be able to show it off. I'm sure my dad's gonna love it too. So like this video if you liked it, leave a comment if you've got time, and as always, feel free to subscribe.